Welcome back guys. So this is the last and final video of 3 things to master your flute playing. Let's talk about the last topic. Okay, so the third and final aspect is fingering. While this might seem like the most straightforward element, the precision and fluidity of your finger movements are crucial for smooth and accurate playing. Proper fingering allows for clean transitions between notes, while poor fingering can cause slurring or missed notes. Okay, so the key is muscle memory, and that comes with regular, focused practice. So, to improve your fingering, focus on these things. Okay, first, finger isolation. Start by practicing your finger movements away from the flute. Place your hands in the air like this and practice the fingering for the most challenging notes like ma to pa and pa to ma, like that. Doing this can help train your fingers to move with precision. Just keep your flute away and place your hands in the air like this and practice fingering. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. If you struggle with playing ma to pa and pa to ma, like that, you can train your fingers to move. Okay, ma pa pa ma ma pa pa ma, like that. And second thing, scale practice. Practice major and minor scales, but focus on each finger's placement. Okay, play slowly and with deliberate motion. Ensure that each note is clean and that your fingers are correctly placed on the keys. I'm taking my flute, and if I play C major scale, which means every note is there's no any flat notes, and I'm playing sa re ga ma pa da ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa, like that, slowly, and need to play that note very clean. Okay, like that. If I play C minor scale, which means I have to play E flat, A flat, and also B flat. So I have to pay attention, and also I have to play half notes. So need to give more attention and practice your fingers. You can practice all major scales and minor scales like that, but remember, play to slowly and with deliberate motion. Okay, so the third thing is use a mirror. Okay, when practicing fingering, use a mirror to check the movements and placement of your fingers, and this will give you a visual cue to ensure your fingers are landing in the correct position. So by paying attention to these 3 essential areas, breathing at the correct time, blowing air with control, and fingering, you will find that your playing becomes more refined, expressive, and in tune with your musical goals. Remember, practice is the key to improvement. Be patient with yourself and take each day as an opportunity to fine-tune these fundamental skills. So finally, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to improve your flute skills, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We will be back with more tips to help you become a better musician. Until then, keep playing, keep practicing, and remember, every note you play brings you one step closer to mastery.